Flamingos or flamingos, AFLMOT, are a type of wading bird in the family Phoenicopteridae, which is the only extant family in the order Phoenicopteriformes. The sulfur-crested cockatoo is a relatively large white cockatoo found in wooded habitats in Australia, New Guinea, and some of the islands of Indonesia. They can be locally very The Abyssinian roller or Senegal roller is a member of the roller family of birds which breeds across tropical Africa, in a belt south of the Sahara, known as the Sahel. The American white ibis is a species of bird in the ibis family, Thresci ornithidae. It is found from Virginia via the Gulf Coast of the United States, south, through most of the coastal New World tropics. Swans are birds of the family Untitled within the genus Cygnus. The swan's closest relatives include the geese and ducks. Seagulls are seabirds of the family Lanridae in the suborder Lari. They are most closely related to the terns and skimmers, and only distantly related to auks, and even more distantly to waders. The Onhirga, American darter, or water turkey, is a water bird of the warmer parts of the Americas. The word Onhilga comes from the Brazilian Tupi language, and means devil, bird, or snake. The budgerigar, also known as the common parakeet, or shell parakeet, is a small, long-tailed, seed-eating parrot usually nicknamed the budgie, or in American English, the parakeet. The domestic pigeon is a pigeon subspecies that was derived from the rock dove. The rack pigeon is the world's oldest domesticated bird. Peafowl is a common name for three bird species in the genera Pavo and Afropavo, within the tribe Pavonini of the family Phasianidae, the pheasants and their allies. The osprey, also called sea hawk, river hawk, and fish hawk, is a diurnal, fish-eating bird of prey with a cosmopolitan range. Jungle fowl are the only 5 living species of bird from the genus Gallus in the bird order Galliformes, and occur in parts of South and Southeast Asia. The common flameback, also referred to as the common golden back, is a small 3-toed woodpecker in the family Picidae, found throughout South and Southeast Asia. The scaly-breasted munia or spotted munia, known in the pet trade as nutmeg mannikin or spice finch, is a sparrow-sized estrelid finch native to tropical Asia. The elf owl is a small grayish-brown bird, about the size of a sparrow, found in the southwestern United States, central Mexico, and the Baja California Peninsula.